My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Mini Electric Hatch. This vehicle has done just under 8,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we have media and radio, navigation, and My Mini. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. This Mini also comes with heated seats on either side. We have the option of 4 different driving modes to choose from. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.